What's going on, guys? What we're going to do is we're going to look at writing justifications for given statements. So if you look at this is actually a two-column proof where I just need to write the reasons. Justification means reason. So when I see that word, it's just a big old fancy term for give me a reason for getting this statement. Now, when we looked at algebraic proofs, we looked at how the first thing that's going to be given to you is called the given. But this statement, this first statement, is not the given. And the reason why is because the picture itself that's above here is what was given to me. We write our statements based off of that. So we actually have another reason for that. Okay, so let's look at this. This looks similar to a problem that we looked at before in Unit 1, where we're looking at Module 1, back when we were looking at segment addition. If you look here, this says Hj is equal to Hi plus Ij. So Hi plus Ij equals Hj. So what was happening there is they're adding the two segments together to get the whole. And so this is actually the segment addition postulate, because it is the first statement after the given, after that picture, right? So to get this statement, it was just kind of, you had to think about it. Well, what do I have here? I have a segment. And so I'm looking to really solve for x here, right? So if you look at the bottom, what is x? X is 3. So how do you get that? Well, you start by adding the segments together to get the whole thing, and that's called the segment addition. All right, so what happened here? How did we get from this statement right here to this statement right here? Well, I replaced Hj with 7x minus 3. I replaced Hi with 2x plus 6. I replaced Ij with 3x minus 3. I replaced them. If I say replace, that means like I'm substituting in, I'm plugging in, right? So, and the reason why is because Hj is equal to 7x minus 3. So when I see that, and I see that plugging in, that is called the substitution property. Now we also want to put of equality because we're looking at, again, an equation. All right, what happened from statement 2 to statement 3? Well, the left side didn't change, but the right side changed to 5x plus 3. The reason being is because if you look, we have 2x and 3x. If I combine them, that makes 5x, right? And I have 6 and negative 3, which is going to make positive 3. So I just like combine like terms. Well, instead of saying combine like terms, we want to say simplify. Okay, there's no property of equality because I'm not moving anything, right? I'm not doing things with both sides. I'm just simplifying the one side. All right, so from statement 3 to statement 4, what happened? It looks like this 3 was moved, right, over to here. So they added 3 to 3 to get 6, and then it went away, right? So that would be the addition property of equality. All right, what about from statement 4 to statement 5? It looks like the 5 was moved, right? 5x, so if you subtract 5x from both sides, you'll get 2x. So that's subtraction property of equality. And then how do I get the last statement? If you guessed, we're looking at dividing, right? We're going to divide 2 on each side, and so that's the division property of equality. And so what this is a two-column proof where we already had our statements. We just had to get our justifications or our reasons, right, for how we solve for x.